In front of me is OUKITEL G2, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to hit security and privacy. Then scroll down to click on device unlock. Click on screen lock and tap on one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Then create it. Hit next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then select confirm. Now answer this question by selecting one of the available options and hit done. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!